Dear kids, welcome back to our channel Tamilur Kalayarangam. Today we learn the phonic sound of the letter I. I says I, I, I ink, I iguana, I insect, I igloo. I says I. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Bye bye.